So again, you are picking from a menu of writing projects that I constructed for you, and then you are writing a proposal of 250 words, and then you are posting that proposal as the basis for your group discussion, and then in the two other moments of your group discussion, you are talking to each other about each other's proposals. In your final discussion board post, you are revising your original proposal based on what other people said to you. So you were synthesizing a stronger idea. Okay, so that's the basic idea. So hopefully that works. Now there's a couple things that are added to this. So the primary thing that has been added is two things. Again, the proposal, right? How to write a proposal, right? I've given you tips for writing a proposal in the discussion board itself, and then you have a group discussion that you're working with, and I've configured the group discussion in a different way than the last time, so I'll point that out in a second. But before I get to that, just sticking with announcements here, right? So if you look at the bottom 3.1 and 3.2, so you're not actually writing the project, you're proposing a project. Proposal writing is very helpful in terms of critical thinking. But you might see these types of assignments in your midterm, which will come up at the end of next week after we do Marx and Marx, Engels, and the Communist Manifesto. So the midterm essay will deal with the first 3 weeks of class. You'll have a menu of things that you can choose from, and you might see assignments like this, okay? So it's preparing you for that, these types of critical generative assignments. The last thing to mention is that in order for you to get a sense of how I grade, I will look at your final product, each person's final proposal, right, and I will grade it. Okay. Now the grade will be non-binding. It won't count. It won't go into your grade book. I'll just send it back to you with some notes via email. Okay. But it'll give you a sense of how I grade and what I look for when I grade. Okay. So that's only fair for you, since there's no grading done in a timely fashion here and via quizzes and tests, and then you have the midterm coming up. So you want to know how I grade and what I'm looking for. So I'll do that as well. Again, a non-binding grade does not count, but it gives you a sense of how I grade.